Today's topic is role of profit in the business. Dear students, as we know that business is an economic activity, and about economic activity I had told you many times what are economic activity. I think everybody knows it, economic activity. Then business is an economic activity. It means earning profit should be main objective of every business. Next, a businessman earns profit for various reasons. Our topic is role of profit in the business. In this topic, we will discuss businessman earns profit because business is an economic activity. Now we have to see for what reasons businessman earns profit. What is the reasons behind earning the profit by the businessman? The reasons are, first point is that survival. I had taught you on my last video and on my last live classes that a business and businessman cannot survive for a long time without earning sufficient profit. It means business and businessman cannot exist for a long period of time in the competitive market if he does not earn sufficient profit, because profit is needed for every businessman to satisfy the needs of his family members. Second reason that why we earn profit, businessman earn profit, is that expansion and growth. The business is expanded. If businessman wants to expand his business, if businessman wants to open his new shops, new company, etc., whatever, then he has to earn sufficient amount of profit. Until and unless if businessman does not earn sufficient amount of profit, he cannot expand his business, because when he earns sufficient profit, he reinvested it for the expansion and diversification of production and for the other operations of the business. Under the role of profit in the business is that symbol of efficiency or an index of performance. If any business or businessman earning sufficient profit, it means business is managed properly and efficiently. We can say that profit earning, sufficient profit earning, is the symbol of businessman's performance, because he has managed his business very efficiently and properly. Fourth point under this topic is that reward for bearing the risk. Dear students, we know that businessman starts business and invest huge amount in the business, and it is not necessary in the initial stage, in the beginning of the business, he will earn profit. May it be he may suffer loss. After this, if he earns profit, It is just like a reward for the businessman. Why? Because he is earning profit because he has taken the risk in starting the business, because in every business there is a risk also. There is not always profits. Businessman may suffer loss also. Therefore, we can say, just after bearing the risk, whatever amount is received by the businessman is known as his profit or reward. Last point is that helps to gain reputation or goodwill. If businessman's business is earning more than comparison to other companies, it means his reputation in the market is better. Suppose that any company who is earning much more profit, it means that company has obtained, that company has acquired reputation in the market compared to other companies who are running in loss.